Tired of worrying about your credit card getting stolen every time you shop online? Good news! Eastwest Bank offers a fantastic solution. Why Euro the Eastwest Virtual Credit Card, your secret weapon for secure online transactions. And this video will show you how to use it first, if you haven't already. You'll need to apply for an Eastwest Virtual Credit Card through your Eastwest online banking platform or mobile app once approved. Let's activate it. Log into your Eastwest online banking account, navigate to the card section, and find your virtual credit card. There should be an activation button or link. Click it and follow the prompts to fully activate your new virtual card. Now, let's fund the card. You'll need to transfer funds from your existing Eastwest account to your virtual credit card. Look for the transfer or fund loading option within your online banking platform. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Why Euro only load what you need for your immediate purchases to minimize risk. Why Euro and confirm the transaction. Okay, you are ready to shop securely. When you're at the checkout page of an online store, simply enter your Eastwest virtual credit card details just like you would with a regular credit card. That's it. You now know the basics on how to use the Eastwest virtual credit card for safer online shopping.